2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Pistols at dawn, pistols at lunchtime, pistols for supper, and pistols in bed. Under the covers, transistor radio, John Peel tunneling into my head. There's a rat in the kitchen, rats in the basement, rats gnawing through every delicate thread that held me together at the gates of the big school, only to unravel beyond all repair. Ants in the garage, in every cavity, crawling all over the garden drive. And under the covers, transistor radio, Dr. John Peel keeping me alive. But even before the echoes of no future had faded and died, the terrible horror of Thatcher had arrived. She took a huge eraser to Britain's fair land with cruel glee, and rubbed out the G, the R, E, A and the T. Pistols at dawn, pistols forever. The last great rock and roll band was already dead, when under the covers, transistor radio, John Peel lying beside me in bed.